Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to another day recap. I did not make a weekly recap in the weekend, so this will also be my weekly recap and my daily recap in one. So, coming into the week, what I was looking for, we had this weekly gap from last week that we did not fill, and this weekly imbalance that we also not fill. This weekly imbalance just becomes the weekly imbalance just goes away, and this becomes a weekly gap. I think we will most likely push at least into this gap. I think we most likely at least push into this gap because we're seeing some bullish price action coming back in the markets. So what I want to see at least is we pushing to this weekly gap for NQ, and for YM I would probably see us pushing to this weekly imbalance, which we're also already somewhat close to, and from there price could just go up more or less, but I'll just see what price gives me because I'm only trading setups. Looking on the daily, nothing much on the daily. We broke structure right here, and we broke the downwards. You could say we broke, yeah. On the daily we broke the. Actually, we did not break it yet. If the day closes above this candle, then we did break the bearish daily structure because we did not create a higher high, which we are creating right now. If we close above it, then I would say that's a break of structure. For YM we need to break this high, but yeah, the same goes for YM. If we break this high, then I would think we were breaking structure. But on NQ we're making attempts to break that structure. So going into the week, I want to see us at least fill the gap for both sides. I mean, for this a gap, for this the imbalance. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Removing that, and yeah, coming into the day, I don't know why my chart is showing this weird blue box. It's kind of annoying, but I don't know why. But beside that point, what I was looking for were technically coming into the day, we had news. We can show you guys Forex Factory. We had this news. We hit it we missed it by quite a lot. I don't know what this exactly means, but we missed it, I think, by quite a lot. Markets did react to that. If I can go back, it would be, we had this massive, actually not like massive, but we had this spike up in price right here. Yeah, with the spike up right there. Yeah, nothing massive. I don't like to trade Mondays because Mondays are usually really slow, but because of that news, I was encouraged to trade it, and I was tempted to more trading it today. Yeah, so we just started after market open. We just started going up, but yeah, we just started going up, and YM did not really create a setup for me. We just started going up, and we closed above that previous day high, and there was not really much of a liquidity for me to like play off. Maybe this right here, but I wouldn't really want to trade off of that. Like maybe this I would have traded off, but market open did not create it, so this trade idea was really just discarded and not valid. I was thinking two things because when market open we did not create this thing yet, so I was just looking at two things. If we come down here at market open and we can hold it, then I would be looking for longs, or if we run the previous day high and we see some rejection, then I would also be looking for sells, or we run some high probability high, but yeah, that's just beside the point. No high probability highs were created, so YM I wasn't looking to trade that. But on NQ on the other hand, we run the high. We run this high. We did not create like some rejection off of the high, but I was looking at this high probability high. This high probability high, the previous high, if you look on the daily, this is the previous high that we are breaking to create a new high to break the break of structure. So I was looking at that high for my entry point, and looking if there's a rejection. Eventually, I see price like consolidating around here. If I go to low time frame, I can show it actually. If I go more low down, one more, it's easier to see. So, where did I take my trade? Where did I take the trade? Yeah, okay, I see it now. The trade I took on this today. So first of all, I saw this push down. This somewhere I saw a push going back down in here. Actually, I'll just go back to 1 hour. Kind of hard for me to see. so as I was going down in here, like kind of consolidating within here, so I was thinking, okay, this is enough of a rejection of me, and I do want to see some kind of retracement coming back down, and I do like the idea of us coming back down and possibly going for the lows, and I just like the idea of us going down. I just liked it. So off of this, I took one trade. I got stopped out on my stop loss, and I was like, okay, maybe I'm not correct. I'll just keep looking at the market. That was like at 1440. So I was just watching, and closing close to the. We're approaching candle closure around 1450, around 1455, and I see price rejecting again. Okay, this is an then. I still like the idea, and my setup. My setup just requires usually multiple entries, because first, probably you won't always get the perfect entry where price hits it and straight up gets a reaction. In this case, that's one of the examples. Price did not create the perfect entry and stopped me out, and then started going down. So I took the trade again. It hit my 1 to 2. It hit the 1 to 2 that I was looking for. 1 to 2 means always break even. I took it. The first trade I took was on my. I took it on two accounts. I took it on my past funded and on my current funded that I'm trying to pass. My past funded, I just took the 1L and I stopped trading on it. My past and my funded account that I'm trying to pass right now, I took it again, looking to catch the move. So eventually we pushed the 1 to 2. I said to break even, and I had to go. I had to go outside and do some stuff. So I had set up my everything so that I take profit. I had set up everything. But the one thing that I kind of messed up to do was setting up alerts and like showing that I what is happening. So I did not set them up, but luckily it did play out in my favor, and I was able to luckily not like blow shit up, and that's luckily for me. But the trade hit break even for me. This short hit break even and then started going down. But I still had those trades down in here. So I still had those trades down in here. Like I had a sell limit up in here for four micros. And I had a sell limit around here for 4 micros. I set a stop limit to there when I hit break even. So if it goes there, I stopped out on break even. And for neutral bias, today's bias was neutral. I have a profit taking setup where I just take free. So I take 75% off on a 1 to 3, and I let the remaining 25% go to 1 to 4 on neutral bias. So that was what I did. So I set so I had 4 micros. So 1 micro, I set a buy limit for 1 micro at 1 to 4, and a free buy micro limit on 1 to 3. But what I thought was if it hits stop loss, that those buy orders will automatically go away, but it did not. So that's one thing I really kind of messed up doing. I kind of just messed up doing today. So as you can see, I took 1L of -63 on my past funded, and a small L of just 1 trade. That's usually what I risk per trade. So overall, a pretty good day. My bias was correct. What I could have done better is like, if I would not say like if I stayed on the chart that I could have gotten the trade, but I'm just saying that if I maybe would have stayed on the chart, I maybe would have gotten the trade. But beside that point, I don't really know if this would have played out or not, because if I look back on it, because we already had this 1 to 2 right here, and it would be pretty discouraging seeing it go running back up and possibly going higher. And then so yeah, overall, pretty happy about today. Tomorrow, new day. I just have to take it day by day. My over trading, over leveraging is really getting fixed, I guess. I do have the urges. I do feel the urges of me wanting to trade again, take another trade, but I'm managing to hold myself back and just focusing on taking the right setups, which was today, and hopefully tomorrow again. So overall today, 1 break even, 1 stop loss on my funded, on my eval, and 1 loss on my past funded. So that's it for the day. I would say I'm up on my funded, on my eval, and I'm in drawdown on my past funded, because most of the drawdown is because I was like last week I was really not there psychology wise and mentally wise. So yeah, all I can do is just keep improving, taking the small wins, and staying in the game. If I'm able to stay in the game consistently and consistently get uh get positive results over the week, then that's all I need. If I get and even if it's not even over the week, then over the month, and that's really all I need. Look, I'm down like 1k in drawdown, we could say, because my buffer was at 50.7k and I'm down at 49.7, so I only have 1.5k left before I blow this past funded. So you could say I'm 1k down in drawdown, but all I have to do is just keep taking the right trades, keep uh, showing up, keep taking the right trades, keep trading the setup, and that's really all I gotta do, because the results that are showing me is that my setup works, and I just have to do the right things. If I just keep sticking to the results, I mean keep sticking to my system, keep risking the same amount, keep risking the proper amount, and if I keep doing the same take profit, same everything, then I should be coming out profitable at the end of the month, end of the week, and that's really all I have to do. So one loss today means probably and what one loss today maybe means that I take another loss today, tomorrow, but one good win is all to make it back. So yeah, that's really all I have to say, and I just have to take it day by day and really focus on trading the system and focusing on doing the small things, that which is showing up, following your strategy, and that's it. That's really all about trading. You need a proven system, following that, and yeah, that's really basically it. So enough yet for today. Overall was a good day, but I could have stayed on the chart more, and yeah, I learned something today, that I should really focus on setting alerts if I'm not on the chart and relying on just the things I have set down. But yeah, today could have ended way worse, but really like the setup on this today. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This was a daily and weekly analysis, daily recap and weekly not recap, just an like forward thing. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. That's it today. I'll see you guys tomorrow in another video, and yeah, let's see what I'll do one more thing. Let's see if we have news tomorrow. If we have news tomorrow, then I don't think we have news. Yeah, no news on tomorrow. We do have this FOMC on Wednesday, but I'm not training that time, so yeah, no news tomorrow. Tomorrow might not be a trading day, but I'll see. So yeah, see you guys. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. I don't think a lot of people watch my videos yet, but I'm just trying to get in the algorithm. But this really isn't even to get views or get publicity. This is just me talking to myself and really showing myself that I can do stuff. And this is usually like focus for myself and maybe me warming up the algorithm. But yeah, for the people watching, leave something in the comments. I'll probably react to you guys.